On. Today I am going to take my group activity. So my topic is SQL. SQL is a programming language used for managing and manipulating relational database. It is used to create, modify and query database. Is an alternative method for query database where user can input a sample of the data they want to retrieve. The basic structure of SQL is included a statement of creating tables, inserting data, updating data and query data. The creating tables statement is used to create tables, which is basic unit.
Hello everyone, myself Kumar. Today our topic is various operations. Various operations can be performed on a SQL database such as filtering data, sorting data, grouping data and joining table. Filtering data is done using the where classing, which allowed the user to specify condition that a data must be the including in a query result. Sorting data is done using the order by the clausing, which allow to the user sorting the result based on a more column. Grouping database done using the groups by a clausing, which allow the user to group the result set based on or more column. Joining tables is done using the join clausing. Filtering data.
Hello everyone, my name is Rakesh Ranjan Kumar. As you can see in the previous student Rajneesh Kumar and Praveen Kumar explained about introduction to SQL and various operations. I am discuss about various operations, how can you perform on the database. First, filtering data. The where clause is used to filter data based on certain conditions. For example, the following SQL command retrieves all records from the students table where the age is greater than 18. Syntax you can write like select a star from a student where age is greater than 18. The next operation is sorting data. And for sorting data, you can use order by clause to sort data in ascending or descending order based on one or more columns. For example, the following SQL command retrieves all records from the students table and sorts them in ascending order based on the name column. Syntax of the sorting data is select a star from a student's order by name, ascending or descending order.
So as Rakesh says, filtering data and sorting data. Now I am coming on the topic of grouping data. Grouping data is used to group database on one or more columns. For example, the following SQL commands are retrieved to totals number of student for each gender for the student table. Like we can say that the syntax of grouping data is select gender count, a total form of group student by the genders. And now our next topic is going to joining tables. Joining table is casual to use to combine data from two or more table based on command columns. For example, consider the following two database one is a student table and another is a cursor table, where we can see that if we seeing that the student table, the joining duos and selecting of the student across subject across from a student joining score Mr. Praveen Kumar Sa, who is going to take our next topic, relational data.
Relational database designing involving the creation of a data schema which define the table column and relationship between them. A good database designing should be a efficiently scholar and easy to mention. However, there can be a problem in the relational database designing, such as recently data among and the inconsistency. Thank you.
As Praveen Kumar Shah explained the problems in the relational database design, now I am going to discuss about normalization. Normalization is a process used to eliminate these problems by breaking down into a smaller, more manageable tables. Normalization is done by applying a series of rules called normal forms. The most common normal forms are first normal form, second normal form, and third normal form. First normal form. In first normal form, table should not contain any multi-valued attribute. In second normal form, non-prime attributes dependent on the candidate key, and table should not contain any multi-valued attribute. In third normal form, table must be in the second normal form, and non-prime attribute can't be determined non-prime attribute. Candidate key or primary attribute can be determined